Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you the horn, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Checking the horn, fuse and relay is the first and easiest thing you should be doing, and if both are good, then the next thing you should look at the airbag clock spring, as that is the second thing that will cause for the horn not to work. And if that is good, then most likely you are dealing with failed horn or some kind of a wiring issue. Both the fuse and relay will be located in a main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here, very easy accessible. Now to remove the cover, you will have three black tabs, one here on the top and one on the left side. So you want to press onto each of the tabs and lift up to unlock it. Okay. And once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have small fuse diagram, which can also quite often help you out. Now the fuse you want to check, it's a 15 amp blue fuse located down here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to horn relay, and horn relay is this one in the bottom left corner. Best way to test this relay, just try to replace it with one of the same kind, any of these two, and see if it makes a difference. If not, the next thing I will look at is the horn itself and the airbag clock spring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.